So today guys, we're going to be fitting the PowerFlex polybush inserts for the lower torque mount gearbox engine lower mount. This is going on the Focus Mk3 and the Focus Mk3.5. These are specifically for the ST, or you can fit the ST lower torque mount on the standard ST line. Now that that's the car jacked up, I'm going to take this under tray off and that will expose the mount at the back of the engine there. So that's the mount there. The polybushing insert's going to go in there, and then we need to remove this as well. I did actually find out when I was out on track back in June, I was getting a clunking noise when I was, tapping the accelerator, braking, and I found out that this was loose. These bolts here on the mounting bracket there, they were actually hand loose. I could just turn them by hand, so it came quite loose with the vibration of taking this round track, so it's always best to make sure they're always tight every now and then. So the bottom bolt is a 15mm. The bolt going through the mount into the bracket is 15, and the bolts for the brackets going to the gearbox are 13mm. So as we can see here, it's now loose. The only way to get that out is by removing this bracket here, so we'll do that just now. Engine's a bit wobbly, but it's mounted from the top mount and the gearbox mount. This is just to stop it kind of swaying back and forth, as you can see. When I was out on track in June, when I was checking where the clunking was coming from, I'd loosened that because I thought it was this, not realising that this was actually loose, and I was able to kind of turn these bolts like this, which I don't think they're meant to be. Like, you shouldn't need to, well, you should need to put a breaker bar on it to break them, like to crack them and then loosen them. Go just like that. There is a bushing in there, but it's pretty good, it's pretty solid, and then that comes out just like that. So we're going to be putting the inserts in there. So as you can see here, here's the mount and bushing here, the lower torque mount. Now you should be able to see somewhere in the right in there it says up. Luckily the inserts have the same as well, so you know what way they're going. They basically just these. So basically these sit in there. Wee bit of split, but nothing much. So they should just fit in like so, and then do the same for the bottom as well. So there we go guys, that's them fitted. They just pressed in like I showed you before on both sides, and then you just need to remember what side was the upper, which was that side there. If you forget, you can just take it back off, but I know that side is the upper because it was the more stiffer side, whereas the bottom side came out quite easier. Right, so this might be a wee bit of a tighter fit. Might need a slight tapping with a mallet, or I might put some grease in. Some of it, some grease. Right, so there we go guys, the PowerFlex polybush insert in the mount now, so that's going to be a lot more solider, I think, hopefully do well on the track. So all I need to do now is put the under tray back on, and then that's it. It'd be great if you would subscribe, comment and leave a like as well, and we'll see you at the next one.
And now you can get